Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary. All we're going to do today is show you what I use to replenish my electrolytes at the end of yoga.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
Nectar Essential Daily Hydration. Us versus them. Nectar has total sugar 0 grams. They have 11 grams. Nectar has total calories 0 calories. They have 50 calories. Magnesium citrate 50 milligrams. They have 0 milligrams. Sodium electrolytes 100 milligrams. They have 500 milligrams. Calcium electrolytes 75 milligrams. They have 0. Price per serving 89 cents. They have $1.62. Nectar says that you can use this to kickstart your day, do a pre and post workout, afternoon slumps, and if you're drunk too much, you can hydrate yourself after drinking. There's no calories in this product. Non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, keto and paleo, organic fruit, and most important, it's vegan. What's inside? Organic fruit, magnesium, potassium, and sodium.
Now I do yoga for many things. One, I have a lot of stress in my life with my wife being sick. I use yoga to be able to control that. I still have vertigo. Yoga has been keeping me more grounded, and I love it. But at the end of yoga, I am a wet sponge. I am dying for something delicious, and the dog just went to the front door. And I'm interested in replenishing this, and water alone doesn't satiate that hunger. So I ran across this product called Nectar Essential Daily Hydration, and this variety pack has got fresh lemon, wild berry, strawberry, cherry pomegranate, well, 2 of those, watermelon, and sunrise orange. And I normally use, this is the container that I use. And what I do first, I'm going to show you each step, is I put ice into it, and I put the powder into it. And I usually mix it with something. So today it's going to be apple juice. I use about 8 ounces. And 8 ounces of apple juice is 110 calories. These have no calories. Basically, they're probably just salt and the electrolyte, the minerals that you need. They work. They're very mild taste and not over strong taste. I've had others. I'll do a video on that soon. And where you can strongly taste the stevia in it or the other medication, the other chemicals that are in it. This is this, and it works. My favorite one is the fresh lemon, because I love lemons, and I love the sunrise orange. But all of the other flavors are fine, and if you buy the essential pack, you really get you get to find that flavor you want to go back and buy again. Now it says it's natural energy. I don't know if it improves my mood, but I do know when I drink it I feel better. It boosts my focus and it strengthens my immunity. The choices are lemon, orange, wild berry, watermelon, cherry pomegranate, and strawberry lemonade. Okay, the best part about this, it's vegan. Someplace on here it says it's vegan. Let's see, it says, our lives are more dehydrating than ever. That's why we created Nectar, a clean, rapid hydration mix designed to be taken daily. Made with no sugar, fibers, or artificial ingredients. Nectar provides the perfect balance of electrolytes to boost the absorption of your water. With hydration checked off your to-do list, you'll have more energy to focus on important things like yoga. Okay, so there's no fat, no cholesterol, 100 milligrams of sodium. Total carbohydrates is less than 1 gram. Total sugar is 0. Total protein is 0. There's 75 milligrams of calcium, 200 milligrams of potassium, 50 milligrams of magnesium, and 150 milligrams of chloride. Okay, I'm no scientist, but that seems to work for me. All right. Okay, so let me show you how I do it for me. Now, in these ingredients, what you do is you simply, well, you gotta open the thermos. This is a metal thermos on the inside. When I put my drinks in there, it stays cold for hours, which is great because I have class in just a few hours from now, actually an hour from now. So the first thing I do is I go into the refrigerator, located here, and I get the cube. Yeah, that's right, cube. All right, Addon crush cube. Then the next step I do, immediately I put it in here. I try not to spill it all over the floor. Like I just dropped one right there. Okay. Then from here, what I do is I take an envelope. I'm going to use something I have a lot of, which is fresh lemon. Then I put the powder in. Then I put my 110 calories of apple juice, but I really also like to use different juices too. Like sometimes I use cherry juice, or I use grapefruit juice. I just like to vary it. And then from there on, it's just water. Back to the refrigerator. Okay. It's water, and I fill it up almost to the very bit top, because this cap goes around the edges, not inside like some of the other containers, and I can do that. Okay. You do not have to put apple juice, grapefruit juice, any juice at all. This tastes just perfect with just water. I just like the additional flavor. Okay, then you put your cap on. And on mine, I have a sippy cap over here. I make sure that's on tight. And you mix it like this. And by the time I get to class, not you because you're not with me, I get to class, I'm all ready for yoga. And I sip this throughout the entire hour of class. So I'm just going to show you. I'm only going to pour a little bit here in a glass. One of these square, and then you pour it inside. And if you can see, there's just mildly a small amount of color because of the apple juice. Because when this is mixed together, it's clear. And I like it. It fits my need. Now, this is a lot more than 8 ounces. This is 16 ounces. And I've tried using, that's why I have some of them I have less of than the others. I mix them both together. But when I do that, I don't add the apple juice or the other juices that I've talked about. I only add water and it works fine. When you do videos, you always have to maintain your equipment. And I got a little bit too much in a hurry and my battery stopped in the middle of my presentation. So I'm just gonna end it off and explain to you what happened. Okay, so that's been taken care of. It's got a new battery, and with this device, I'm able to check instantly to see how much I left off in the video. So that's what we're gonna do. So what I missed to tell you in this video is that in the very back here, this is made in the United States. It's vegan, it's non-GMO, and if you follow the keto diet, you can also use this and it'll work for you. And it's called Nectar. And I'll have all the information for you. You'll have already seen that by the time you get to this point. All right? Now, just in case my wife was telling me that I didn't exactly fully explain how you do this, so you have two different. So, when I bought this pack, it came in red, which is what I wear. I always bring to yoga. But on the days that I don't have it clean, I have one of these. So, in this case, I'm only going to add. You're going to follow me through the step-by-step of only putting 2 packages and only water and not putting in a juice. We'll put this away real quick. You're going to follow me to the refrigerator. Right there. Okay, so then you get the ice. You're going to get cubed. Okay, now you've got that. Back to the middle. And then pull away this one, single serving, out of the way. And this is a double serving, same thing as before. You put ice in it. I like to put in not all of it full of ice, because then it gets so cold when you're drinking it, you can barely drink it. I just like to put about half ice. Then you're going to take, let's see, I'm going to use the strawberry. It's a very nice flavor. And then cut the tops off. Now it's 0 calorie and it still tastes sweet, so obviously it's got some kind of sweetening agent. I believe this one has got stevia. Okay, where did the breakdown? Maybe it's on the website. See, I just put in strawberry, so strawberry has got organic lemon, organic strawberry, potassium citrate, non-GMO citric acid, non-GMO malic acid, calcium citrate, magnesium citrate, Himalayan sea salt, yeah, and organic stevia. Okay, now I don't have any problems with stevia. Now my wife, she doesn't like stevia. She can't. It just doesn't work for her. So she would prefer something like this that had sugar in it, or cane sugar or something of that nature. But if you're sensitive to stevia, don't use this product. If you're not, this will work for you. Okay, so now we've taken care of that. We're gonna go back to the fridge and get our water. Why do I do it over here instead of a sink? It's refrigerated. Okay, water. It comes out even colder than, all right, you see this number 23 over here? That's its refrigerator has told me 23 times it needs to change the filter. But the water is through a filtration system for the entire house, and I don't need to change the filter. But as you can see, it's going to force me to change the filter. All right. back in the center. Same thing like the other one. You grab it, you put the top on. I'll use this tomorrow. Nothing goes to waste. And make sure that you see what it looks like with no juice. See, it's clear. Now it's got 2 packages and it's very mild flavor of strawberry, not even overpowering. And it does everything you need. So then you can mix it if you want, like this. And then they'll be all ready for when you're getting ready to do class. My Canon 80D has a little blinking thing in the back, and it gives me a warning right before the battery is about to expire. And so I thought that's what the problem was. It's just letting me know it's used. Okay. For Gary. Okay, so I ordered a red pack. That's another video. I'll show you that later. Okay, so this is all ready. This is for tonight. Nice red. It's going to go perfectly with my outfit. And this will be for the night following. Then to dispose of these, because these are just paper, you just pick them up and you throw them in the trash can. Now they don't go in the recycling, they go in the trash. And the reason why they go in the trash is because a food item, in this case the powder, touched the paper, and this is no longer recycling. So all of this is going to go back into the container. If you're using 2 packages like I did, you're not going to have enough for the end of the month. But if you use 1 package like I normally do, you're going to have plenty. And then it's got a little sealer on the side so that it doesn't fall out. It would have been funny if it fell out, but it didn't. And it's a good deal. It tastes good. It works out for me. All right, so I'll be doing another video of this. A different company electrolyte system that I picked up at Sam's Club. They're selling it there, and I can show you the differences. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye. I gotta change and hurry up. Get this one out, put this one in the fridge. Yeah, it's gonna be tricky. I really like these little cups. They're kind of cute. This is exactly 8 ounces. Normally I use this 4 cup container, but this is kind of cool. It's not a Pyrex company. It's called Anchor. It's kind of cool. All right, that's it.